the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make the fall leaf wreath, okay? Yeah. Well, first let's do some coloring, okay? I'll make an orange leaf. And a yellow leaf. And a red leaf. One more orange. One more yellow. And one more red. This looks great. Well, grab your scissors and let's cut out the circle, okay? Be careful. Stay on the lines, okay? Great! Now it's time to do some folding. Fold it carefully on the lines, okay? The nicer you fold it, the better it will be. Fold it like this. And fold the other one this way. Great! Now it's time to do some cutting. This is the fun part. Make sure you stay on the lines, okay? That way your wreath will be really pretty when you're finished. And let's cut the bottom part now. Great! And we're all done. Let's just clean up and open up our wreath. Wow, that's great! Hey, let's watch a fun video, okay? Maple TV. What is it?
It's a guitar.
What is it?
It's a bike.
What is it?
It's a pumpkin.
What is it?
It's a tennis racket.
What is it?
It's a bug. Ooh.
What is it?
I don't know. Is it a monkey?
No, it isn't.
Is it a horse?
No, it isn't.
Is it a tiger?
No, it isn't.
Is it a dog?
Yes, it is. It's a dog.
Cute.
What is it? What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? Hey, let's go. What is it? What is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a pumpkin. Great. What is it? What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? Hey, let's go. What is it? What is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a tomato. Cool. What is it? What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? Hey, let's go. What is it? What is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's That's an eggplant. Good job. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah.